Steelmama specializes in the development of roll-forming machines. This video shows the production process of a high-quality, full automatic change model laser tube roll-forming machine. This machine works extremely efficiently. The rollers are made of chrome-plated shafts to extend their service life. Customize various sizes according to your needs. Laser welding is used to connect the gaps between square tubes. Square duct is a rectangular-shaped duct used as a passage for air conditioning, heating, and other HVAC services. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.